Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to check the data usage of every application on your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to this operation, simply go to see the settings, then scroll down and go to the more connectivity option, click on it. And there is an option data usage. So click on it and there is all applications from your phone. And in this application, you can see how much every single application consume the data usage from the internet. Yep. And you can check it for the data from the SIM card. You can check from the Wi-Fi. Yeah. And you can sort it by today, month, this month, and yesterday. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!